8 easy ways to reduce creatinine level fast and improve kidney health. The increased level of creatinine can produce various health issues like lack of appetite, breathing difficulty, and nausea, dark urinate, vomiting, etc. There are numbers of people who are suffering from increased creatinine level. Creatinine is basically a waste chemical exists in the bloodstream produced by your muscles, and kidneys flush this out through urine. But sometimes kidneys become unable to expel creatinine and it can be harmful to your body. Diabetes, blood pressure, dehydration, kidneys disease, excess exercises are the common factors responsible for high creatinine level. Let's check out the whole details and easy ways to save your kidneys and lower creatinine levels naturally. 1. Avoid creatinine supplements. Some people, especially bodybuilders and athletes, take creatinine supplements to improve their performance, but if your body is already creating it, then you must avoid such supplements or it can be harmful to your liver and kidneys. 2. Dandelion root. Dandelion roots are commonly available in your garden, and you will be surprised to know that this weed root has amazing components that improve kidneys' health and destroy the excess creatinine from your body. Take some dandelion root and boil it into a cup of water and drink this once in a day. You can also buy pre-made dandelion root powder and prepare tea. 3. Siberian Ginseng. Siberian ginseng includes eleuteroside, that is a natural component used to gain energy. It effectively reduces creatinine and makes your kidneys healthy. However, try to consult with your doctor before consuming it. 4. Drink more water. As we said before, dehydration is also a major cause of increased creatinine. Keep yourself hydrated and drink plenty of water in a single day. You can also drink fresh fruit juice without adding any sugar or artificial sweetness. 5. Stinging nettle. This herb is also useful to lower the creatinine level. This herb is mild and enhances the urge of urine that flushes out the creatinine from the body and makes kidneys healthy and clean. You can simply prepare stinging nettle tea. 6. Chamomile tea. There are some studies have been done on those people who were consuming chamomile tea and they have balanced creatinine level. Chamomile tea can lower the creatinine and helps in regulating the blood pressure level. Chamomile tea is easily available and you only have to add a tablespoon of it and drink slowly once in a day. 7. Chinese rhubarb. This herbal plant provokes detoxification and you can easily plant this in your garden. Take a piece of this plant and boil it into a cup of water for 10 to 15 minutes. And drink once or twice in a day for 2 weeks, and see the results. If you have a kidney stone, then it would be better to avoid this method. 8. Use cinnamon. This ingredient has a superb impact in high creatinine level and other kidneys issues, and it is easily available at your kitchen. It has special components that help filtration and cleansing. You only have to add a small teaspoon of cinnamon powder in your dishes like cereals, cakes, cookies, tea, coffee, etc., and that's it. With all these remedies, continue your medicines. Follow all the instructions and you will get the positive and expected results within a few weeks. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.